One really evaluate the service delivery, evaluate the agenda for change, and evaluate the OGI. We make within our so today, we make we bring chiefs in our so today.
Understand them say OGI, the Open Government Initiative. Now a grassroots program where Papa President been start when he come. For make sure say the government and people, then they see now the same side. Make sure say the government and people, they understand themselves. We go push the collapse go before. Not alone. OGI they look tanga one. It's like all it's in them where government they do. And make sure say the people then gladdy. Which waiting they be. Now Mama Salon na the first country. We begin for do the kind thing. Now that's make Obama to call with president. For go explain to other country them how this they work. Now that's make them form the OGP. Open Government Partnership. OGI. Now the one where they bring the government to the people. OGI. They take the people back to the government. OGI. Now the bridge where the government and people then they meet. For make sure say they understand themselves. OGI. Now the one where they bring the government to the people.
Waiting the people they want and waiting they don't already get. One really evaluate the service delivery, evaluate the agenda for change, and evaluate the OGI. We make within our so today, we make we bring chiefs in our so today.
They understand themselves. OGI, the Open Government Initiative. Now a grassroots program where Papa President been start when he come. For make sure say the government and people, then they see now the same side. Make sure say the government and people, they understand themselves. We go push the collapse go before. Not alone. OGI they look tanga one. It's like all it's in them where government they do. And make sure say the people then gladdy. Which way
Formula Do, we want to welcome now to our usual program. You know, say this term, anytime we this term come, and I know say that the OGI, OGPR have your say in governance. The program will bring the government closer to the people and the people closer to the government. We don't talk about plenty things there. I know say OGI, OGP, you know say OGI and I'm born OGP, but they get two separate things what they do. But nevertheless, if I know say OGP with a look, you know, extension, they go international, and OGI are internal. And what in OGI don't do, now give the accolade for at least they recognize me for the OGP. But plenty things that they would look at, you know, way for make this country they go, because plenty things that they way for know. And that's OGI they for. They get town hall meetings, a lot of other things them, so that you will get the information. And OGI don't do plenty things them. They don't tell you now. But we're going to still remind you now. But today we can look at the social accountability where we can normally they look at, because now one of a baby of the OGI, OGP, will make sure say even students them don't be part of this now, receiving calls of important things that will happen around the country. We don't say even common thing, you could pass and through OGI. OGI must make sure say they reach the target. So today they can look at social accountability, and we get with brother and sister them, we the university students them. The two, then done. Then of course we get Valerie, we still they go down very soon, but it contribute greatly to the OGP by receiving text messages, receiving calls. You know, people in the report about water, then they report about plenty things. OGI know about it. So, na me right here now, I get Joseph Ali Kagbo. Joseph, tell family I do.
Family on Akushel.
All right. Next to Joseph, I get Valerie A. McCarthy. Sorry, Valerie, tell family I do.
Family on Adu.
And then on my left, I get Mayama Kabia. Tell family I do.
Family on a good afternoon.
But of course, you know, the Agbaba will be the listening to Nano Kadija Sisi. Tell family I do.
Family on a cover.
Now, people are going to ask why, of course, you invite Valerie them, Joseph, Maya Madam for this program today.
Well, Dan, thank you very much for you asked me that question. and then Kaya so because then self na OGI, of course, we always the president set them up and he put civil society for be the major the activists them for be the major implementers of OGI activity. We make dan we sit on so na enemy boss, we sit on oh come on so na the boss. So because na partner between me and two-way president mandate we for partner with various civil society and media organizations. And when you talk about civil society, you talk about academians, you talk about the unions, you talk about anybody where they get a group where they month done, you know, they receive salary. You get the right for calling for civil society, especially if they get one goal where they try for promote. And when that make we gladly with the University of Sierra Leone this time they see they take we get so many challenges now with this social accountability project. And Sierra Leone they say the definition of the insanity now by doing one thing over and over and expected change throughout the years. Would they look at the president, would they blame the president? I'm talking about the president. You see the rumor where they pass around. The man then a stadium now rumor they pass around say something no happen to them. Mr. people they call me. Yeah, tell me first one. What you don't read that rumor there?
Yes, I read the rumor actually because you know man so worried because the woman and the too bad. You know, especially the way people and they use the social media. People and they use the social media very wrongly because it good, you know, the social media good because you get information, but not have to abuse them, you know. And we don't see, particularly inside Sierra Leone, when they abuse the social media bad by putting out false rumor, false information, tarnish other people like character wrongly because social media not get editor, they don't check, you know. So the rumor will go on, you know, not good for talk.
About President
Kuruma. You know, somebody go talk like, you know, we nothing we are nothing to say for the get on social media like that. We don't expect
me feel say I don't know about the Christian but Muslims where they call where they make person leader and a person way first of all then they change you angels them, you defense. Because things that when they defend you, then they change, then bring calm, the one that will go able to stand the heat.
Yeah.
And if that's the case, you leader now like after God now you leader. So if you they mean then kind sick jokes there, then kind bad meanings there, me feel say the Almighty God will create we and create the leader and go be the one will go intervene by this because it's not a joke. I'm not saying a joke, not a joke. It's sickening for make somebody and another thing. Me I try for tell America will get Bill Clinton, we get of course Bush, don't we get Obama. Where America they sing all kinds of songs for the middle class and the one that way the poor. You understand? They don't appreciate, and God he make it clear to everybody for say if he send something to you and you don't appreciate him, he go send the worst for you. Because when you don't appreciate him, he go do what you understand. So if we get a leader in Sierra Leone, I don't care what anybody say, we get a leader in Sierra Leone where by the I not say and me not President Kuruma is spokesman, me I know they speak for him. I know they speak on his behalf. I they speak as Sierra Leonean and the apology I had. President Kuruma na one of the few presidents in the world. You understand what I talk? We're really focused on we interest. It's focused on making sure that we as Sierra Leoneans we reach standards where other countries then go envy with. If everybody gets sick joke like this, you don't get time for share that sick joke then, and now you know how many people them where they meet the text messages them, the one that when they call na holla then they holla. Although not to me they're supposed for call, they're supposed for call the Ministry of Information and Communication. But people they were right now, some the day where they found fast, where this particular rumor confuse them, and then I swear to God that hack day. If they go up and then people there will come up with that sick rumor and we they pray to God, may God not turn the devil power for say okay, you know wetin, and see that this one I want more give you more make them make we like America, then send the devil Paris. More pray to God, make God not do that to we, because if you do that to we, some of we na bodo. The one that we made a sorry for, now the one that we not go able to move and left this country for any reason. And at the end of the day, we say what on board when you go na people country, you go no say na people country you go. So when now we get a sick joke there, make God make this pray, this fast month. Me I dey swear, May God look at it, Nigeria man. Make God make this fast right now. Me say safe day and fast because of the pain where other people then they feel. But then kind sick room on they make God make the albalau where this fast here so where everybody where they fast right now. They albalau they go and tap the person where the people the way they come up with a sick joke here. It's not a April Fool. Now that serious joke this where not for happen. President Koroma right now it then a stadium. He dey pan cheer for the Sierra Leone team. Me not a spokesman, but I need for talk to as a Sierra Leonean, and I need for swear. And una way then they mosque them. Una not stop for swear. Anybody when me then kind sick joke then they make God make that trouble when the first month when the suffer people then they suffer. Make that trouble they go pan them. You understand? Don't quickly and the one the way they say I don't eat girlfriend food because na first month. There's nothing like girlfriend at the Quran. So stay away from girlfriend, period. Not of food. Not say because you dey fast, you know they eat girlfriend. They say not for eat girlfriend food. Nothing other than the Quran we say girlfriend, no girlfriend. You know they say stay away from them thing and they stay away from them. So you eat all kind of food. You might as well eat the food. Because if you not stay away from that, that means you not comply and you eating food or you not eating food or you not comply. So now that no more because every day now you say why they you can throw some
yes
because
now. That side and they because when I say
Yes.
fast month the final say
Yes.
now we dey get the mosque and the food see then they go out of the mosque.
Yes,
You
yes,
understand? Normal time the mosque not dey full up till you go out so.
Yes.
And then the second thing then bad them then on the close.
Yeah.
You
Yes.
understand? The bad don't close.
Yes.
Then we see start working to up on the beach. They say
They
go
don't cut
holiday
to.
for us.
At the
They
same
don't
time,
go
they
holiday
don't tire and force. So
they want the week you make their aramu na them market and waiting the all. They say it's like say when the first month is now all man can decide for say this the land just go to God. And the one that we can say when the first is or 10, 15, then say well me do so God will take care of the other one.
yes.
I know say the Quran talk say you go for fast 29 or 30 days.
Yes. Yes.
You go for donor.
Yes. Yes.
You know,
Yes.
you go for donor.
Yes.
Because I know say there's a section in Quran we talk about that. We tell you say you go for fast from the day to the end.
Inside 1 year, you go
1
for
year, yes.
fast for 1
And
month.
even if you now myself where you can meet up there you 10.
Do
You
they
go
pay
for
back?
pay the debt.
Yes.
So if you keep 10 or 15 days,
Yeah.
then you say you do so, God know they reward you for that.
No,
they know
actually,
you
you
want.
na mediocre.
You not play the play.
You play the play.
Yes.
And you dey joke with God.
Yes.
Because when you say fast, then Odena is supposed for fast for 29 or 30 days.
Yes.
No excuse.
Excuse not really.
If you sick, where you not able for fast at all, like you know, we get them bad all star them never pay somebody where they fast for you. Even though the person they fast for himself, but for the fact say don't come up from you mouth for say do you beg while you they fast, you must support you. That one is almost the same as you fast. You understand? But would I not even woman we not get them where be say some partner in month you not supposed for fast if for fast after that first month that after the first month. So that kind of people then they especially man we supposed to be the strongest person.
Yeah.
And you see you say I be fast or I not they begin the fast I go end up you not play cook you they play because everything what you they work for now for nothing. Not for nothing. And me they say if you they drink self, if you they do bad things self, during fast now the time down the way they keep yourself holy and pray to God, make God pull you up on that bad day.
For change.
You understand? Make God change you. Say Papa God guide me, protect me and change me. You understand? For the better. You understand? Eh? If that time that this holy month when you supposed for spend for do that, you they go and you physically they go and use that you go to philosopher for come up with all kind of excuses. It not make sense. But now coming back to I just say until the first month done.
You go for the talk
yeah,
small
go for the
and then
talk
but one
small.
thing you don't forget for
Yeah.
tell people that say God bless you, get forgive zakat.
Well, the zakat, of course, the 5 pillars of Islam, you they do zakat. We talked about last week. Zakat, even for smile, na zakat.
Yes.
I mean, na sadaq, actually, not to zakat. But zakat always give, when the time reach for the zakat, look at what you get. You understand? Or if you not sabi, go to the imam. Say, what I supposed to give as me own tax, as me own contribution towards helping. You understand, the poor, helping the poor, them, because the imam then they pay them. The just the pastor them, then they pay them, and you're not supposed for Sudan and say, give me. If you feel say waiting they do, where sacrifice everything for Sudan. If you're not a young man, not go Sudan and say I sacrifice all thing for me imam. Go find work for do where you can pray. But if you now somebody when an eligible person, you delegate yourself for be an imam, they're supposed for support you. Anybody when a Muslim, go make that person they be the person where they ask questions, say maybe you mentor. Some person they are not, some person say, I don't go be Muslim because I not sabi read. You don't need for sabi, go learn. Ask people them elect na 1 or 2 surah that you sabi. For elect, I mean, people then say elect na Kulu Allahu na one of the best surah that we describe, we separate we and the Christians. And now one of that's not the surah that one day. So elect na that one day safe. You focus on or go to the imam. Some surah then even like 2 seconds. You don't know now. You understand? Start from there. God they build you imam. God they build you more for sabi more. Once you they sort information, you they sort knowledge. God they give you that knowledge too.
All right. So actually we get value then.
Yes. So then come. For men and can because they know they work, they don't focus. University of Sierra Leone focus on helping, not on helping and making a difference in Sierra Leone, and making a difference. Looking at the web, what to make a glad with Valerie, then what to make a glad with University of Sierra Leone. They not come and say we are going to reinvent the wheel. Then look at what exists and see how best they were able to join, bring their expertise. And that one they don't make an impact in Sierra Leone. I can tell you now because you go to ogi.gov.sl, you will see the information them. You will, even though they get challenges with funding, but I think they will make a difference. So then can I also today so that the public where they always they say wait them, then go able to see them. And I do that. So I left give you them.
Okay, let's start with you, Joseph, because Valerie don't come. What inspire you for being part of this OGP?
Well, first of all, me as somebody really like for see something they go before, like for CUSI Development Day. So when the university, when OGI decide for partner with the University of Salone, everybody's kind of thing, don't they see what OGI don't they do, don't they try for seek the interest of ordinary Sierra Leoneans, they try for CC all things come up fine for everybody. So when I eat like that one day, I decide for throw me support because I want let something good come up.
I make you join. Yeah. So this is like first time or you not begin, you know, at the try small. Like first time this?
For work with OGI?
Yeah.
For join, yes.
Yeah, this is my first time for work with OGI and I don't do with them for almost 4 months now from April on to date. We don't work with them, don't work in a call center in Abatha Street. But
which is your experience? How you see them?
Well, the experience be really nice, you know. You know, being one person we don't do at the background, we don't the FCC, sign on for the complaint, and we all know how things are don't come up bad in the country. You know, we all grumble about the phone companies, the light system, and all of that. So I see them as an opportunity because one of the experience that I get, a lot of people they call in and complain, and OGI self in one way or the other, they meet the right people that we supposed for. Do them thing and they let them come up and like we talk about water business, the channel and to Guma, you know, for let they go to that particular area there and they work things out well. Because if you get one area of security, one day we did at the call center, we receive a call, something be happen at Regent, some youths then they make some kind of business for land, the click business. So we be the rights at the call center, we receive that call day and we'll be able to channel and to the director immediately and they communicate directly to the IG and you get swift response. So that experience will be good because I think say Misa don't contribute towards saving lives because will not be called a prompt intervention there at that time. Anything for that happen.
So, like, I mean, how long you take at the call center? You know, let people know.
So the call center they run 24 hours.
Yeah.
At 24 hours basis they run, but they go there by shifts. Everybody gets a shift from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. That the first shift. The other one runs from 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. And the night shift, we can call graveyard shift.
So you never experienced that?
Graveyard shift.
The graveyard shift. I think once.
So, you know,
No, you know that.
you don't enjoy it.
No, I really enjoy because the F-15 and we OGI they provide. So
For see the public not asleep.
Yeah.
For both.
Yes.
Yeah, but then during the the calls they come in even when at night.
Yeah, calls they come in.
The one that say someone not asleep.
Yes.
Every all night they bombard with
Calls they come in, and then I want to we really appreciate OGI because they make it 24 hours. Because even on weekends, of course they come in and we work on weekends, so now right around the clock.
Okay. So when the calls they
Well,
come,
you know, say na the graveyard.
yes, in a
Well, na the graveyard shift.
Well, to you, Mayama, you share your experience with me. What actually inspire you for be part of the social accountability? I don't say OGI. What inspire?
Well, actually, we get a call from a lecturer. We say if we are willingly for work with OGI, we are like waiting this day, but let's say when we come over, so we come over and state house, so we get small parents conference director, then lightweighting the bots in a corner they receive from the public, where then we'll give out them complaints, and we're not expect for them talk to on a fine because someone will don't discount. Then we talk to on some carry, but una for day in for calm them down and receive them calls them and give them good something in return. And I'll say, okay, hence now for the development of the country, will come in and they divide it into shifts. And so we take up the afternoon shift, so it'll be very, very nice. And we'll turn out say, and now during the day, we'll get calls them 24/7. And during that period, and they get calls them from different parts of the country. Moyamba, Makeni, Vo, like Moyamba, then become when they call a lot, they talk about the water system, the health, and the road business. They say the water because most of them are the villages. Now Chevrolet house on some side and me. Now fishing what they do. So after the fishing business, they end up back for what's with the fish water because where the well and out during the dry season. Yeah, so water not be there for the was the people then back for cook the woman then they call like every day they call past 20 times. Someone they use the same phone safe. So let me back talk. Because this day the morning with the old business they stay for left the villages for Caribbean tongue. They spend a lot, especially when they use bike. Bike they go charge them money and they know for saying them area they need achieve, they need getting kind of money then they. And talk about the health system, say the nurse they need come quick. Then waste time say when they come back, they don't go give them the treatment, they call them kids in a free health care pass they get for give money. And you thinking funny and you feel say immediately look for left now and go talk to them. Pass who can come and say, will they able for take their information there? On a quarterly basis, they go analyze that and they go try hard for work towards that and then they go understand, oh, okay, now they say, well, who can advise them back when I tell my family, then call in and give them complaints then because now that they with it for.
Okay, but you don't ever experience the shift with
The graveyard shift.
No,
The
no,
night
how-
shift.
No,
I'm not a son.
Oh, you don't let for do that. You don't experience that.
No, no experience in the
The graveyard. We dey
Yes,
call am.
Valley. See, you like that. And
Yes, I will.
to give you experience, of course, you don't
11 to 7.
live, you don't live for quite a long time. So, yeah, so tell me.
A graveyard shift, I'm getting this gun call them. like somebody just a grab past, I think they imagine the complaint and I don't think what I always say, I can't complain, I don't have o'clock. And you call you no more. Vex one, if you don't take to yourself, you didn't you want slap. Just they say no more, yes, smile, yes. But a nice experience because me as a person, help me for like deal with my temper.
Okay.
Like for control my temper and now for talk to a person where they are the other side. Make me get I really learn a lot from that.
Yeah.
And also deal with human, the anger of human. Not all, if you vex, I vex. Case not go before, I just get for it for you. So It landed me a lot, and people really concerned where they going right now. Heavy concern at this EDSA and Airtel. Airtel them the thief top up. Airtel the network not good. Airtel them not they allow SMS for Canawi 644 line. And then it's too bad. People can send message. Hey boy, send message. You know you see now. Not they receive message. People can just go ahead for blaming, but not they receive message at all. Even calls self now they get problem with calls. Because then willfully they cut with calls them because they don't say they get for late and complain. And then they come as paramount. Especially Airtel. Because in college vex sorry accent who's coming in at Airtel. After you sell then they try small. Whether they not take that as a kudos. Sometimes they will just mistake one the other person. But Airtel are the problem right now. And EDSA they say they see Interlight for the go. And so everything one ship become for the Kangi lights. People like talk. Now the people like concerned right now say I mean say ship broker with Kangi lights for 2 years.
I never see that.
Like right now the thing is they get for can clear the year say we don't get no ship we come. People don't think say lights get for can constant na salon. Right now but come on bank on that ship and say ship don't come.
Who's trying to pull this one now?
Well, not social media.
The ship don't come.
Sorry,
ship for this like.
But the sad thing is, some of the information, the problem is, we get EDSA, we get the minister. May, for goodness sake, may EDSA begin face the public and some of like this rumor where you talk about so. Then get the right for Canada the air and clear the air. Then get for clear the air. Because people they don't begin to separate EDSA and the minister. They don't begin to separate the minister and the president. The minister they work for president. The EDSA they work for the minister. So with this social accountability, basically, that we look at the steps then. So who are responsible for what? Maybe they say, if not for say, if I talk that sometimes somebody they say, oh Khadija don't say make them beat EDSA, make them beat Guma, make them beat service providers say for be accountable to the Sierra Leonean people, not the president. The president go accountable if you not get policies in place when they maintain sanity in the country, when they help Sierra Leoneans, you understand? When they help Sierra Leone move forward. But if you don't already get the programs set, you don't already go to parliament, you don't read them policies, and you don't read what's in there for happen, you don't appoint minister and board of directors for help the minister. The minister gets the agencies there. You understand? The agencies they go ahead like NATCOM, go ahead and regulate. They regulate the telephone company. Telephone company, the thief pan people them will not see NATCOM come out and say anything. We not go all NATCOM as corporate to the thief man there.
Well, in that side, you don't say that telephone companies then they operate on their own. The business
and they regulate them.
Yes.
If we take them just on a court for waiting value, they talk so people then they complain.
You don't say NATCOM don't find plenty don't find them, and NATCOM they go on.
But we don't go post to NATCOM. Say people then they call through we phone them, especially with Airtel. Then they use Airtel. Then they text through we phone. The phone then they withhold the text them. Then they allow the text them for reach them. Not a criminal act.
No, apparently we go for go engage Airtel. Like now, so me of course you already see Airtel up. They say that the try for change from Airtel to Orange, you know, and we still wait for that for see maybe they will try for improve on Nandi. But nevertheless, we don't see Airtel, shortfall, a lot of other things there.
Why other companies then they come out? Why I hope say then the regulators then they deprive other companies then for can enjoy so that because the more the merrier. If too many companies then at the country, some of them why away they more or less monopolize or they more or less they crook one year. So tell them go put them out of business because who's like person they don't say this company in a crook company, you know they go to them. It don't matter what services where they provide, you know they go to them. They go to the one that were probably honest, where probably you they get your money's worth. You understand what I okay? So any company where one President Kurumado announce say, make people that can at this country can't invest. Anybody will hold that investment there, that person there, you work for make you where they hold you investment, especially you can do good for the country. You make sure say people that will support will go reach that message there to the president, may he reach them. for say I can't develop this, but they don't hold me and they don't agree for my develop. And like how the cable company, the cable company, the DSTV, like how they dance for people they hate right now. Who say they get other company where they come? If they tell you say DSTV go get the mind for dance, like how they dance up and people then they play group and people there.
Well, a lot of things and we get to look into that. A lot of things and because
social accountability. Me mama and me sister and me brother and I they right now. So if I dey pick on una, not to pick, I just tell una when they say social accountability, you are only accountable for services we're supposed to provide to the Sierra Leonean people, and you get fault by the service system.
Yes, but at least we forgive the devil induce, whatever you may say. NPA they try.
No, well, NPA, yes,
NPA now,
they talk about, and then the minister in response, yes, the minister, one good thing, me people then they say, hey, Khadija, why anything when you talk about NPA minister, EDSA minister, not to NPA,
NPA,
not to NPA,
EDSA now.
No, but the minister they EDSA they.
No, that EDSA, but the Ministry of Energy, the minister, and a Minister of Energy.
Well, the Minister of Energy,
yeah, we're not calling NPA again.
Okay, well, I don't come on there. So, Minister of Energy, you understand? He they respond because the other time, as they say, he took complaint. He say he know the challenges the way the country they face right now, and they tell you for free. EDSA are not able to provide. They not get the capability for making them able to give light to everybody. So as a result, the minister now they go back to the drawing board with them, with EDSA and any other company will go one for come for develop Sierra Leone, and that's what we are looking for, and that's what Sierra Leonean people want. Not to where you know say things then you know able to provide this, you know able to provide enough of. Look, Hill Station, we been get water. What we been there, some of who been they build water been there at Hill Station. Now what will happen? When you talk about water business, then go tell you say the country don't big. You know, we don't know how long the country don't be, how long the people they don't plenty na freedom. You know go don't do for make you go able to find ways them for give light, for give water na Hill Station.
No, well, in that direction, you find out say a lot of people they don't interfere with the environment, whereby
we don't go past that day. Now you are the devil's advocate, but we don't go past that one day.
No, yes, but
we don't go past. We don't know now. Say too many people then they interfere. We get the dam. Not only they don't go build houses them around the dam. So whose action where the minister they take against the one they will go build houses? This them then drag me for that one day. One day they say the minister find out ask who that them build their houses and they now people them from land said Khadija say get land get host. Well now they go broke by my see if na me get the host. You understand what they talking? So look all them things there. You don't say now more. This let tell you that the world don't done 10 years ago or years back. We get agenda for change. We come up from agenda for change where we come Sierra Leone come to normal, small. You understand? Now agenda for prosperity. Water business for include by that agenda for prosperity. May we not find a way out for give water.
Well,
Hill Station.
The government is shy. That left to the government for electoral because those are services.
The investors, they want to open the mouth for investors, they will come in and can invest.
Well, water business for can invest so you get for thinker. But first of all,
whose side were you there then?
No, I did, but some.
No, me tell me whose side were you there?
No, I did, but we need for what you call. We need forget.
You look mellow lately.
Dam. No, we need forget dam. Even as I say, who's how they get the water? If people are not interfere with it, definitely the water. Will get them plenty.
But why did they allow people to for interfere?
Well, then the government formation say
would have sell them land and they told them.
Stop people them from interfering the catchment areas.
Yes.
Who say water they come.
Now that make the whole government accountable. And guess what? Then we get citizens report card coming up. So whoever go be the president, he go read with citizens report card. Any minister, anybody where they find say This why the citizens report card try they will begin first part citizens report the first citizens report card during agenda for change. President Kuruma get 65%. Other one then they will be get 25%. But we say the country they come to normal. So now a process. Now the point where we don't reach as a country, we don't develop so much that some people they still they crawl. So citizens report card, if you find out here and citizens report card you get a 25 or 30, even if a new president come in, then there will be a warning sign for say this person not make a minister again or useless.
Anyway, Joseph. Well, of course, you say you don't be part of it now. What is actually that the most reports where you get, where you most experience, where you don't get, where people in the reports, you know, how they talk to you, how you handle it, because you never. This is not like.
You don't ever vex.
Call center.
If you don't ever vex,
you did call center. I remember when the Ebola been there, you know, they get a call center. Then you see you call our 117. I remember then telling the way people in the that center, they went and call. And now we don't know say Ebola there. Don't know say Ebola there. You know what I mean? Sometimes you say, "Oh, I tell you about this call."
Well, of course, we don't get calls the way. Some certain people, of course, they call you, not even a lie, they lie. Because some certain number, then they we be just get for not for the pick that particular number. Because the same person they call, it say, "Are they Waterloo?" It give one problem. After the same number call, it says, "Are they Kabbalah?" Give you that problem. You know, them prank calls.
Yeah.
So you being a human being, so you go see this particular number, we know say na joke, we know they for joke. So we just get for
So we can blacklist them.
Well, we know the blacklist them because some say Tengo Kai go call for better team. So we know actually the blacklist them.
No, I mean blacklist in the sense when I don't identify this person, you know, not to go to.
For the same day.
No, for just the same day. For the same day. They call the other day with the picking call.
Yes.
They call the other day with the picking call. Just for
something serious.
Something serious.
Because
Because you know more people in the guy forget the lines.
Then they write it down.
More people in the guy forget the lines, so we not go to waste time with just one number. We know say you know they talk something serious, you just they call and we still encourage them for let they call. Even though we can talk to them, see we explain again what actually the social accountability line they for. Also for let's say and like saying a toy you don't get. But see and say this opportunity for like actually give me voice out because OGI don't carry the government very close to you now. Because if you talk to me, be rest assured the director go know because we get mechanism there. We will forward that immediately. The director go know and this will go forward to the right people. So we not they encourage anybody where they call and begin.
We even get a WhatsApp. That social accountability get WhatsApp. Any emergency, this WhatsApp here we get all the stakeholders there. For EDSA, the minister, the head of EDSA, the managing director, everybody did it. And even, of course, IG Munu, anti-corruption, everybody did it, not so. So when emergency, something we need, like one time, I think, a pipe be waiting for Nakisi, immediately you send and the minister of water, we're responsible for the water, they see them. So some of the emergencies, the one that went not to emergency, go na ogi.gov. You understand? .gov. No? You understand? ogi.gov.sl, ogi.gov.sl, ogi.gov.sl. You go scroll past social accountability, this program and any other program where you want for see where you miss, you go able see them. You go na Facebook, you go able see them. You go Twitter, you can tweet me. You can also go na YouTube. You go able for see OGI and we dey move further with right now social accountability. We dey one graduate to the National Open Data Portal. We dey punado the National Open Data Portal na Sierra Leone. I get a trip where they go to Ma by the grace of God. Welcome for 2 weeks. Welcome, inshallah, we come punado the National Open Data Portal. So you still up at the National Open Data Portal. You get for no say you have them for the off. that national open data portal. The only language wey we dey speak by the national open data portal na that wey get for do with the Ministry of Information and Communications and Statistics. Statistics get so much data na this country, for goodness sake, wey dem no get site for put am, dem no get a portal wey dem dey put am so that Sierra Leonean and international partners go see. Una wey the same people dey wey dey comot dey go and make false rumours about Sierra Leone for make dem get small thing wey dem dey eat for support themselves, dem live on dem becoming leeches. Na dem same people dem dey hold the national data wey we get na Sierra Leone with mechanism wey dey show international partners for say we are open and we straightforward and we dey showcase we governance strikes them. I don can see say too much. I don can see say now OGP go come with the national data with the blessings of the president for showcase Sierra Leone the governance. Wetin sef the Sierra Leone. If people then can hold on to that national data for run after money. You go run after the money, but when I come, that national data they comot na you hand. That anybody in hand, it no matter who's institution, they come out and go to statistics and Ministry of Information. If they're interested, then we'll give them technical support to that process there. Because OGP gets commitment, all we commitment there, what we get right now, what international partners supposed for they see and no say Sierra Leone they in for something better and Sierra Leone they work very hard. Now then commitment they all we get the right now. We not get site for put them. We not get platform for put them. They don't go hold on to the national data. Now we don't realize say we now they stifle the process because we now want keep them so that we now voices when they work out with fake news, them voices and the international partner then go read them voices and they make big mistake because them voices and they go remain wrong. And that national data will go up, and are the only voice that one day, by the grace of God, we get for rain, na Sierra Leone, because we not get nothing for hide. So we not know that. And they talk about RAIC, right to access information. Now we not all are they pass right to access information. We not lay off the national data portal and go fair una you.
Okay, it's okay. I hope so you don't get that information. But Valerie, Joseph. When I experience it, obviously, which one they do so, and also the land cancelling, you know, because by this, how some people in pretend can develop, you know, then they use for sending messages, or even later complain. If you not able for control yourself, you have to go on, pretend you bang the phone. So I feel to say, when I get that experience, and also,
yeah, because someone will call, they are say, like, I need for do an now. When it's not to emergency. Only for do now, like I get call Thursday, person call from Moyamba say. Now line I don't send me woman from today, you gonna line say for the mosquito net. And then say that na sell the seller. So when I need for samples, then right now na Moyamba, they can't say na sell the not sell the mosquito net. Now I say okay sir, so now whose village I try for drag out of anger. Now whose village, waiting I name sir. I know show me name. I said, no, this is not something confidential. I'm not going to give you name out. Okay, I will give me name. But when I need for candy, now no, I can see, I sell it, they sell it, net, they sell it free. I said, okay, thank you very much, sir. I don't get you. When I try you, when I walk to, I said, okay, we'll try very hard for up to us. Start it in like that. So, man go call, say, well, when I send for we credit.
So, what's on that?
We will say, well, this, not to that, we there for. When I receive, when I complain there and send them to those in authority. Oh, to so they send credit because I won't call me Fambula. Still not to that do.
So now they get all in saying if you don't get, you know, passion or you don't get, you go vex.
Yeah,
you know.
quick one before go. When season don't come, how long go they this flooding business?
Yeah, flooding.
If you take her from River Force, they go kiss you right now. They say we there at risk.
Oh yes.
You got her don't follow.
Oh yes.
And people that they call the race concern about Masada. And clean sound. I think they get one new one about clean free tongue or so. They send messages. We there at risk more than other day. So they really need for this one thing. And we again as Sierra Leoneans them out there. We need for clean. Then we say clean the environment, not just depend on Masada or clean Sarah or clean free tongue. Go out, clean your gutter. We really there at risk. And they sorry for that they don't pay or don't granite market. Then slum beside no more than we really need for clean salon.
No, well that's true because now Operation Clean Free Tongue 9 they supersede now.
It look better small, not the small.
Because then
Compared
the
to
only thing when me get, you know, for this operation clean free tongue, they not me for go start inside the dirty no.
That's the problem.
Then for start inside the dirty boku.
Then they pay
So
for your license and the center.
when you clean free tongue, really when you clean free tongue, the outskirts then go clean because the dirty they no boku. But if you begin, you know, at the outskirts, then you can meet the way dirty they inside free tongue, eh?
If you go to Kisi Road right now, you just vex.
yeah.
Kisi Road, Fobe Road, Magazine
the
Court,
dirty pass mark
go down Bombay Market, then corner then they.
Yeah.
Really there at least.
Yeah, and I tell you.
We get high waiting in
You continue in the street. So me feel say them for clean inside the free tongue first before they go on the outskirts. Yeah, so they go on the free tongue. What should we say? The municipality. You understand? Therefore, make sure say they clean that area. But I tell you, when you see dirty, you never see about both. You know, because the dirty is so plenty. But I hope say the operation clean free tongue will work again, just as I say, Valerie. We self again. We self way that we are the citizens. We self responsible because now they keep dirty so we ain't come. We check a turn and a gutter. Then that rain day, that gutter day go block that gutter day. Then a flooding will for take place. You know, and therefore make sure say when they do this now, the bylaws where they for put, they for stiff on dandy. Where they, you know, one of my businesses I go look at as slavery. Me believe say when they catch you the trade dirty. Therefore, beat you publicly. Let all man see, say, this one, uncle, neither they be sure.
No, but before they begin to introduce that beating, they need to make sure first they get trash can.
Well,
Government for introduce trash can.
they will do
Any
that.
side where side they made them get the dump side they put it dirty. You understand? The one where they in the middle of the town where you not get no side for dump. You not get no side. Give somebody alternative. When you give me alternative, don't you hold me accountable for breaking the law.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm talking? And they pray to God, make God give me the funding, the finances when necessary for make the one and the stakeholders them they move beyond just blaming the Sierra Leonean people. You understand?
Even if when they say when they sweep the street, and they throw the dirty back.
And the gutter.
Yeah,
They
exactly.
sweep the street
Where
and
they
back like
sweep-
street.
Well,
So it don't make sense.
Well, you know what in that country and that vigilante work there for them.
Make sense.
But if you
only
don't
see
sweep
that
the
I can
street,
just see
you put
the
an and they
create
go,
hope
and
for
they
themselves.
make it total.
Yeah.
It don't
Make
make
people
sense.
themselves, you know what they talking. If you the sweep the dirty, then they pay you for the sweep, then you turn back to my neighborhood. So go there and they make you total. Now you total go.
Well, they not make the operation free tongue now. Then when you don't come, they say they come for clean the city. We will follow the kind of strategy.
Masada de panande.
Yes, all the city council, all
All just come
the
together.
strategy where they for use is that obviously when they get an end of the day, they for can go at the dump site, you know, at the dump site. From there you can go at the receiving side. Inside you get them. Then from there you can go to the dump site.
There are two things what they say. Either Masada, they know they pay them, or then they pay them, they know a good salon, they know a good free tongue. The dirty way they know a good.
Well, for clarity,
For
not to
good
play
work.
place, you forget the
Not
machines.
of- yes. So do ya continue.
You
I
forget the
just want to know
machines
this, please.
because if you not get the machine, you don't oversee. You know how they go take dirty. Then get the kind of machine there where they go to dirty. So then now one game motor carry. If you don't see that, I tell you, man, one game boo or no more, they don't finish. You understand? And I tell you, now which man they do dirty business? Now England, not to black man. Them black man and they for big beats. Which man? That show you how dirty business not to joke business. But when they take and make joke, even when you go put trash can, so when they take things one for the inside this trash can in the capital day. Watch no more some man, lady rain you go see take him matkaso buantu away. They can't do on a street. You know, we forget some laws.
The sad thing is the neighborhood them, the neighbors them, all man they say not to me business. Even if
No,
not
if for
something
big
where they
business.
affect you.
No,
It
for
for be you
be all
business.
man business. If for be business, especially dirty. No, you don't listen to a business. If you see somebody they go to a dirty in a gutter, what do you want to do? You go for reporter, make sure say I see you tomorrow and they make let police know say now you. You understand, eh?
Police go car.
It go,
The police go car.
no, well, if police get for proactive, you get for be proactive, you get for know what you want.
Look wetin the neighbors dem dey do when dem ready for say if man no dey dey na the neighborhood. Look wetin dem dey
Yeah,
do.
well, na me dey cancel for
Yes.
this law. So
Well,
they can-
then you
they
tell
don't-
like say dem just at if man no more dem no want, but anybody else is okay. Dem for take that step wey dem dey take against thief man dem and use am for the public. So, but for the social accountability team, which side wetin una which side the future wetin una feel say how una see this project 3 months from now probably on una own side which side una feel say na dey see na dey heading right now.
Well, I think so they head for the good because when the complaints they come in, we dey tell the right people, and I just believe say everybody like go like for less salon go before, so they really they heed to the complaints, and we advise say we dey give them as OGI, and I think say they will change, and we will get a very good country. The prosperity will come to pass.
What about you,
I think so we will head for better Sierra Leone because when we blast the telephone comes there, Africell look down on top of things right now. Airtel is slack. Then they will pull out pan and say Airtel.
Yeah, we're not them for
And
people.
for day on top of
Godfather.
situations, they know me pull out pan totally. So I think so we will head for better changes in Sierra Leone. Because if Africell on top of them, because we won't blast there, suppose it's okay, let me hold here now. Minutes like again. So I think so they make headways.
what if you say Africell they do right now where you are telling me they do?
I think so they're proactive.
How?
Because when you start for kind initial Airtel we can get problem. But Africell then they on top of situation. So that means that we don't set the network properly before they see the car where Airtel fail for them. Then we just send message to you so they shut down from 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock due to so where Africell no will do that. Because they're on top of the situation right now. But if they mistake back, we're not afraid for telling back, say, don't do wrong. That's what they have for.
Like you can get call right now, say what you call and say una thank you. It's like the point of they get call for Kisi what they call 24/7. We don't get like here we call director. They do what thing for do where they end up for begin get light. The calls now they receive that day is like una thank you, don't begin get light. Some man they call some I will send credits for you something like that. So they
They say that they
send
say
credit for you. Every time you name they are will sell like they glad you they see something they call for tell thank you no more. So they try for say if this continue, betterment they can at the country.
Okay, thank you. Well, the last one. Because this was you will send this text. The side we send this text now they are the. I know you will understand when you talk about you see the government help with access road, now off college road, go across, and they want to sell the access road. How somebody will go sell access road?
you say who that one sell the access road?
I don't know. I make I say we don't know who's me there. Somebody go sell access road. Not lie. So that make this person maybe something will come out. I will know if somebody want for sell access road. So if somebody say want for sell the access road, I don't know what is person talk. So no left. Log in last.
Now the other thing this way make where would get kind of television people then they say hey Khadija they so if you not SLPP you go gladly because we dey bombard the net, but if you not APC you go gladly because instead of people then they continue for the lie, for the make up stories, we say safe they come up with the facts. You understand what I'm talking?
Yes, ma'am.
And wetin dey happen, we dey come up with that and make let the public know exactly wetin dey happen. Look like wetin dey talk. So if you know for being there around that area, the person now for men no more than pass information. Some people dey false information, fake wetin this fake man say. They say fake news. Anyway, una sabi the man wey dey say fake news. Donald Tusk. Donald Truth. No, I don't know what this is. I don't know that. The real Donald Truth. Now they say fake news. When they make the fake news, now they make say fake news.
Yes.
Anyway, but I'll thank you very much. And me feel say, what you would have change right now, the culture of complacency among the government officials. Now would they try for change? The complacency people them for you don't say when Montreal them pay them, where them go on street, where people them come on a street, them blame President Kuruma, or them blame this, them blame that. So now that complacency culture now want change. If you go can't take contracts in Sierra Leone, you do what you're supposed to do and communicate with you get over 60% illiterate level, illiterate people in Sierra Leone. So you get the onus is on you to educate them, to let them know how you are doing and how you they work, and if you need the hand, for me them lend their voice to what you need to do, so that you know they go wrong. It's very easy for me to do that. So now that culture they will they try for build. I know they oppose people them because I want for oppose, and they oppose so that you they grab. If you sit down, you grab me, you tin up and walk. Now that then put you there for the contract when you sign with President Koroma. Now for me you walk, you go walk.
Okay.
Thank
Well,
you.
now so we will put the cutting down, and thanks to you, Joseph, Bali, and Mayama, we at least now able to can talk to people on our experience.
Then go they
Share
come.
our experience.
My God.
From time to time, we not go to come. So now so we will tap the program. So such we meet back. Me Muslim brother and sister. Then assalamu alaikum.
Like,
And evaluate the OGI.